Hi Ankita,
How are you?
I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
This work?
I
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. What's happening?
Yeah.
How are you?
I am good. I'm just trying to use my time productively as much as I can in this time. What
तो
about you?
क्या
How are you?
क्या प्रोडक्टिव चीजें होती हैं ऐसे टाइम में?
आप लोगों से बात करना डेफिनेटली इस वक्त दैट
अच्छा
इज द हाईलाइट ऑफ माय डे
जी.
एंड देन ट्राइंग टू डिग आउट एज मेनी स्टोरीज एज वी कैन ऑन आवर एंड
स्टोरीज. कैसी स्टोरी?
स्टोरीज ढूंढना पड़ता है आप लोगों को स्टॉक करना पड़ता है मुझे लेजिटिमेटली रोज कि मुझे कुछ मिल जाए आपकी वर्कआउट
कुछ
वीडियोस आपके खाने की
कुछ मसाला,
वीडियोस
कुछ मसाला,
मिर्च
कुछ
मसाला
एक्सक्लूसिव न्यूज.
कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव
सब
But
घर
what
पे
about
बैठे
you?
हैं. सब घर पे बैठे हैं.
सब
सब
घर
आई
पे
थिंक
बैठे
सब घर पे बैठे हैं एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द नीड ऑफ द आवर. स्टे होम टू बी द सुपर हीरो. घर बैठो, आराम करो.
Hmm. But Saqib, been in industry for like almost 9 to 10 years.
जी.
Lights, camera, action के बिना कैसा लग रहा है?
मतलब अजीब तो लग रहा है कि काम नहीं हो रहा है, घर पे बैठे हैं. और सुबह से शाम तक यही प्लानिंग होती रहती है कि अच्छा अभी आधा घंटा ड्राइंग रूम में बैठते हैं, फिर टीवी रूम में बैठेंगे, फिर
Hmm.
बेडरूम भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आज वहाँ भी 1 घंटा बिताया जा सकता है. ऐसे ही पूरा दिन निकल जाता है. सो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी वेरी वियर्ड दैट वन इज नॉट वर्किंग, बट आई थिंक कुछ कर नहीं सकते. आई थिंक द होल वर्ल्ड इज फेसिंग दिस, सो ऑल वी गॉट टू डू इज जस्ट स्टे स्ट्रांग, स्टे पेशेंट, and yeah, hope for the best and be
And
responsible at this time.
exactly, act responsible. That is one thing which we all need to do. That we should be using this period productively.
जी, कुछ मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें यार. If everybody is saying that अरे we are sitting at home, we got nothing
Hmm.
to do. If you really want to find things to do that you forgot about, that you used to do in your younger days, there are enough things. Trust me, just look within, you'll find enough stuff.
But आपने कोई ऐसी हॉबी डिस्कवर करी है?
यार मुझे मुझे पता नहीं था मुझे चेस खेलना इतना पसंद आएगा. आजकल मैं चेस बहुत खेल रहा हूँ. आई थिंक मी एंड हुमा प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ चेस. 1-2 दिन से नहीं खेला है हमने. वी बीन क्लीनिंग आवर रूम्स एंड ऑल. तो जो बहुत टाइम से बेड के नीचे सामान पड़ा होता है, जिसको होता है ना कि अच्छा इसको कभी देखेंगे इसमें क्या है और इसको क्लीन करेंगे, अभी वो सब डीप क्लीनिंग हो रही है घर की. सो
So
अभी
who's winning
मैं
the chess
अभी
game?
अभी थोड़ी सी क्लीनिंग खत्म हुई तो मैं थोड़ा नहाया धोया. मैंने कहा लेट मी डू दिस लाइव विद यू एंड देन आई विल गेट बैक टू इट अगेन.
So are you winning the chess games or Huma?
यार बहुत कांटे की टक्कर चल रही है. ठीक है, मतलब आई हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट, व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड आउट शी वाज अ मच बेटर प्लेयर, बट आई थिंक आई हैव रियली कॉट ऑन. सो अभी कुछ लेवल टाइप भी चल रहे हैं. सो एज सून आप इंस्टाग्राम में मेरे अपडेट्स देखते रहो. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस कंपटीशन विद हर. एज इन व्हेन आई पुट अ स्टोरी.
I'll keep a track now. I'll genuinely keep a track on this one. But what other recommendations you can? Are you watching any movies, any films, any series which we can definitely note down and watch?
मतलब लाइक एवरीबॉडी यार, ये देखो, ये है मेरा कैसे कैमरा घूमता है. मेरी स्क्रीन देख लो मैं कहाँ हूँ.
Favorite जगह.
हाँ, मतलब यही रहता हूँ मैं. लगता है पूरे दिन ये टीवी ऑन रहता है और ये ऑन रहता है. एज इन व्हेन आई अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ. इनफैक्ट अभी एक शो है यू करके, उसका सेकंड
Okay. Yes.
सीजन आया है. हाँ, यू.
Yes. On the stalking. Yes.
या तो वो उसका सेकंड सीजन लास्ट एपिसोड पे हूँ मैं. वो अच्छा है. देयर इज अ शो कॉल्ड बेटर कॉल सॉल, जो बहुत पुराना शो है, उसके नए एपिसोड्स आए हैं. So it's a
Okay.
spin-off on Saul Goodman, this character from Breaking Bad. If there are Breaking Bad
Oh.
fans out
Oh.
there, तो उसके बहुत सारे सीजन्स आ चुके हैं तो मैं सब देखता हूँ. तो अब उसके नए नए कुछ एपिसोड्स आए हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें यार. मैंने उस दिन तानाजी देखी. मैंने
अरे.
तानाजी देखी नहीं थी. आई वाज शूटिंग एट दैट टाइम. मुझे मुझे बहुत
Okay.
सही लगी यार. वेरी गुड एक्शन इन द फिल्म. वेरी वेरी वेल डन यार. मतलब ग्रेट विजन. बहुत अच्छी. मुझे बहुत अच्छी स्पेक्टिकल फिल्म लगी. आई वाज
Exactly.
कर्सिंग माई
Visually
सेल्फ.
very stunning.
I was cursing myself that I didn't see it in the theaters. I should have seen it in the theaters. That experience would have been better. But I saw it at home. Though I genuinely thought the politics was a little. Not that I was bought by the politics of the film, but as the film, I really enjoyed it. The visual was great.
Yes, it was
So I
very
thought
good.
I should have seen it on the big screen.
And with that on the big screen, I know we'll be little delayed to see 83, but is the
जी.
excitement in that?
अरे
They will be.
100% यार, 100%. But I think
You are giving us those
वो
small snippets, just building it up, like thoda
अरे
thoda
यार,
thoda
we
करके.
really want you guys to see it. मतलब we've worked, all of us have worked really hard on it, and we're really proud of the film. And of course, the trailer was about to get launched, and then the film was supposed to release on the 10th of April, 10 days from now.
Like 10
So
days from now.
yes, all of us are very excited about it. But yeah, there is a situation that the whole world is facing, and I think the
Exactly.
safety of people is extremely important. So yes, we want to show it to you, but yeah, when the time is right, when everything
थोड़ा सा
is solid, safe, and to free to go out, then yes, 100%.
100%. But Sakib did, if I'm not wrong, you also used to play cricket in your early days. आपकी training काम आई? Like, was it easy for you to go on the ground and like do it?
यार मतलब of course क्रिकेट खेला है, decent level पे खेला है, played state level cricket, under 19, and of course I know about the game a lot. I watch, मतलब मैं पूरे दिन क्रिकेट ही देखता रहता हूँ. अभी मैं वो, आज वो इंडिया की 9 years एनिवर्सरी है ना,
And
टू
yeah, and we
थाउजेंड
saw the
इलेवन वर्ल्ड
video
कप की
you
हमारी.
just put
आई
up.
वाज वाचिंग द फाइनल. स्टार स्पोर्ट्स पे दिखा रहे थे. आई वाज वाचिंग द फाइनल. मतलब आई कीप वाचिंग क्रिकेट. It's the favorite thing for me in my life. So yes, all that training helped, but I had to play a cricketer and somehow play cricket like him, not like how I know to play cricket. Everybody has a
Exactly.
different technique, everybody has a different style, and and Jimmy Amarnath had a very distinct style. So, yes, it was a lot of learning and a lot of unlearning what I already knew.
Unreal.
So, that had to happen, and so yeah, it was a very fun journey. We trained for about a good 6-7 months. We just kept playing cricket through and through.
Wow.
These bunch of boys, these 13 boys we were. It was absolutely beautiful. The whole experience of it, the way the film's shot, everything, the experience of working with Kabir sir, everybody. It's just something that I'll always hold close to my heart.
I think we are equally excited. The kind of enthusiasm we can see from you and the other boys' posts and Instagram, that how exciting this is going to be. Like for people like us who haven't witnessed that time. So yes, fingers crossed. We'll be seeing through your eyes.
कुछ ज्यादा
Definitely.
मैं ना डर जाता हूँ. मुझे लगता है ज्यादा नहीं बोलना
नहीं,
चाहिए.
नहीं. Don't
भगवान से
worry.
डरते रहो
Touch wood,
क्योंकि
it
ये,
will be good.
हाँ.
We have a very weird request from fans, which I know can't happen. But Saket, can you go shirtless?
यार ये क्या बदतमीजी है यार. ये क्या है? ये कोई बात है? बताओ. बताओ, ये कोई बात है यार. मतलब I know I put up a lot of shirtless pictures, but ऐसा थोड़ी है यार. मतलब ये गलत बात है यार. ये गलत
मतलब
बात
Saket, this
है. मैं
is
शर्मा रहा
frankly
हूँ यार.
speaking
I'm
live
feeling
going.
damn shy. I'm feeling damn shy.
Girl, sorry, later, not now, later.
I'll post some pictures यार. I'll post some pictures.
Okay, then Sakib, let's lighten up the mood. I'll ask you some quick questions. You give me some fun answers.
I'll try.
Okay. 5 celebs you would like to be stuck at your home at this time.
I think Ranveer Singh. I think because he's great energy. He'll keep the whole room alive. अगर हम बहुत बोर भी हो रहे होंगे, he'll keep doing something.
Even
Uh,
exactly.
I think Shah Rukh Khan. I love Shah Rukh sir, so I feel like it'll be great to just have conversation with him. वो कुछ life changing moment हो जाएगा ना. वो कुछ ऐसा बता देंगे जिससे life change हो जाएगी.
Yes, exactly. Ekdam.
And I feel
Someone pick
like
some actresses.
sorry.
Pick some actresses, like some
Of course,
nice.
if I am stuck, I'd rather be with the people I've really looked up to, as in I'm a huge fan of. So I'd rather get to spend that time with them. So of course, they're girls I'm fans of. What are you talking about? I would really. I would Kareena Kapoor. I think she's extremely beautiful. As a kid, when I was growing up, I had a massive crush on Kareena Kapoor. So I think her. And who else? Five I have to say. ये तीन में मैं
You can
बहुत
pick
खुश हूँ.
Hollywood
मेरी enough
also. You
conversation
can
हो
pick
जाएगी.
Hollywood also. I'll give you Hollywood also. Pick.
अरे
Give
I
me
would
two more from
Priyanka
Hollywood.
Chopra. I think having Priyanka
Arey,
Chopra there would be damn interesting यार. मुझे I think she's a
you are
damn
getting
cool
the
person.
best. You're getting
I
the
have I've
best.
met her only a couple of times and very briefly, but I get a damn cool vibe from her. So it'll be nice to hang out with her.
One more.
And my sister, yeah, where will she go? Where will she go? आई विल कीप हर ना यार, उसको थोड़ी छोड़ दूंगा अकेला यार, हद हो गई यार, तुम बड़े पत्थर दिल आदमी हो यार, लोग हो यार, हद हो गई
अरे
तुम
यार,
मतलब। माय सिस्टर वेयर विल शी गो, वी स्टे टुगेदर, हद हो गई यार, उसको घर से थोड़ी निकाल दूंगा।
नहीं नहीं, so sorry. Uma will stay. Done. Okay, next. One thing you hate about being a celebrity. Though they are perks, but something which you just can't get your head around.
Yeah, you know something, it's all right for people to recognize other people. Like होता है ना कि अरे he's that actor.
Hmm.
एक होते हैं जो पहचान लेते हैं और एक होते हैं जो नहीं पहचानते। ठीक है, दो
Hmm.
तरीके के लोग होते हैं ना when you go
Hmm.
out.
Hmm. Hmm.
एक होते हैं तीसरे टाइप के जो शायद पहचानते हैं, तो ना वो पूरे टाइम ना they just keep staring at you like weirdly as if where they've seen you, how do they know you, they maybe don't follow films or whatever, but they keep giving you, so I just get damn uncomfortable with that. I'm like यार पूछ लो ना यार, we don't bite, actors don't bite, if you don't know us it's all
It's
right,
so
मतलब इसमें कोई problem थोड़ी है, or if you're not sure, but don't keep staring and all यार, it's just little creepy,
it's
that's
creepy.
it. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, 5 words which are like
Why
fixed
is
in your
everything
vocabulary.
five? Why is
Because
everything
it's
five?
best of five. It's best of five.
क्या 5 things?
5 words which you use often, like they can never go out from your vocabulary.
अच्छा, पहला वर्ड अच्छा,
का
दूसरा
समझ
वर्ड
गए?
हम्म
हम्म.
हम्म,
हम्म.
तीसरा वर्ड मैं देखता हूँ, ये मैं ये बोलता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ, जब भी जैसे कोई प्लान होता है ना, कोई दोस्त फोन करता है अच्छा चलना है ये करना है, मैंने कहा हाँ मैं देखता हूँ,
मैं
बता
देखता हूँ.
ये, हाँ ये मैं देखता हूँ, ये हो गए ना 3, टोटल 5 हो गए, वर्ड्स
अरे
बोले थे ना,
वो
वर्ड्स बोले थे ना,
ठीक है, ठीक है. I'll
सेंटेंसेस
give
थोड़ी
it to
बोले
you.
थे। हाँ,
ठीक है. I'll give it to you. Okay. Uh, do you check your fans' profile and answer their DMs?
या 100%, 100%.
100%.
If they've said something sweet and nice and encouraging, I've had these 7 8 fan clubs who've been there from the very beginning. We have a group, we chat. Matlab,
Oh,
it's damn
cool.
sweet. They keep making very beautiful creatives and keep posting things. I just keep thanking them for the love they give me. So it's always nice to connect with people who genuinely care. So
Who
yeah,
genuinely love.
yeah.
And
But
any
I think you meant it in some other way.
no,
Not
no,
I
no,
made
no.
it
I
very
meant
sweet and all.
no, 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 no. I meant it this way because normally what happens is some people are very honest and say that okay, we don't check fan profiles and we don't reply to DMs, but you honestly said
यार
you do.
आजकल इतना टाइम है यार, इतना टाइम है, मैंने इतने लोगों की प्रोफाइल स्टॉक की है ना, इट्स अनरियल, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग। एंड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम नो, you don't realize from where to where you reach. If you
Exactly,
just
one to
on the
one to one.
explore, if you're on the
Hmm.
explore option, you're just checking out what
Hmm.
the world is doing from one profile to the other, you suddenly realize you've been doing this for half an hour and you're like, damn, I got to watch something, I've got to read something, do something else. So yeah, that happens.
Okay, tell us one any such hilarious or a creepy fan incident. One. Any hilarious or creepy. I'm giving you options.
Yeah, I've always had very special, sweet fan moments. Like genuinely, I've never had like a creepy. Nobody's written like love letters to me with blood and all. It's never happened.
Girls,
Yeah.
please, like fake blood,
No,
not real,
please don't
but
do
fake
that.
blood.
Please don't do
Fake
that. Don't.
blood, fake blood.
No, please
Let's
don't.
just irritate Saqib a
Please,
bit
let's
in
not give
DMs.
people any ideas. Let's not give people random ideas. It's not cool. Stay in, guys. Stay indoors. That's what is
Say in.
important.
And how do you maintain the last one, which is something someone asked in the beginning also. In this entire regime, how do you maintain your fitness? Something which, how you take care of it.
It's very simple. It's extremely simple that I know it's a very boring time and you're all at home and yes, अब Netflix पे कुछ देखने का मन नहीं कर रहा.
बचा नहीं है
You
कुछ.
eating whatever is coming your way, all of that. But you know, in the whole situation, we got to realize that this will end and there will be life then, and we can't just let go. We just have to be motivated at all times. So we have to find that half an hour 45-minute window for ourselves in the day, and there are enough things, trust me Ankita, that you can do at home. You don't need any weights for it. You don't know any machines for it. You just need a mat, a floor. That's it. That's all you need. You just need to do that. And that's what I do. I keep trying to uh, just do a lot of functional stuff at home. And I also don't have equipment. I have very little equipment, some little dumbbells, this, that, but not anything major. But yeah, I work out. I love working out. I see it like that. I don't work out because I fear I'll get fat. I work out because I enjoy the whole process of working out. I feel it's a very good exercise of putting your physical strength at use. I'm not going to go on the streets and fight, right? How do I judge my physical strength? I'm going to exercise and realize what my potential is. I enjoy working
Exactly.
out. I enjoy it. So hence I do it. I don't do it because I want to have eight packs all the time. No, that's not fitness. I just want to be fit at all times. So yeah, just keep yourself motivated because you should know that this is going to end. This lockdown, this whole COVID-19 thing is going to go away sooner or later, whenever it happens, and then there is life after that, and we have to be prepared and ready for it. By the time that finishes, we've put on some 15-20 kilos. We're sitting at home, eating, munching on chips throughout. And then when life restarts again, you're like, damn, now I need to invest another 8 months into losing this weight.
That will be me,
So,
I'm telling you.
so yeah, just keep yourself motivated, man. You have enough space in your house. Just do it.
ये
20,
तो
25 minutes every day. That's it. Do some yoga, do anything. Just keep yourself occupied. That's it.
So we are going to open it to the fans now. I have done all my queries. Guys, Sakib is all yours. Sakib, you can take the questions. Everything.
Everybody's just saying such sweet things. Hello, assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, namaste, sat shri akal. Everybody came show. What's happening? Ha, Praveen Joshi, I would love to reply to you, but you have to ask a question, buddy.
Guys, you have to ask the question. It's beyond
Acha,
highs
I
and
think
hellos
I
and
think
hearts.
everybody's just saying hi, 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 hi. So we should just do a big hello to everybody. Hello, guys. What's happening? How's it going?
Hello ho gaya. Ab chalo, let's ask questions. Okay, someone asked about your new movie, sir.
My new movie, my new
Movie.
film, as in it's we it's not new. Matlab we finished shooting for it, and I think everybody knows about it. It's a film called 83 that was supposed to
Hmm.
come out earlier on the 10th of April, but now it will come whenever this whole situation subsides. And I've also shot for a series for Woot Select called Crackdown that I finished
Oh,
shooting for. So that should be out as soon as in about a couple of months. So yeah, you can OTT the hell out of it.
okay. Suddenly we have so many questions. Let's start. How hard it was to pick playing the style of Mohinder Amarnath?
How hard?
How hard
Yeah,
was it to pick up his style?
I felt like the batting was easy, but the bowling was damn difficult. He had a very distinct style, and I just kept watching videos for about a year. I thought every day I would wake up in the morning and just keep watching his bowling videos, so that it just becomes muscle memory, and I keep visualizing it. So yeah, it was difficult. The bowling action was damn difficult, though it looks like the most easiest action, but it is not. It's
It
just
is
got a
not.
very different body language to it. It's a very dhila action. It is not like I can't explain it to you,
Maybe when
but
we'll see, we'll get to know. Let's leave it to that.
the the bowling action was very difficult. Hanji.
Okay.
What else?
Next is, are you single?
यार मतलब शादी नहीं हुई है मेरी अभी तक. ये तो बात
Guys,
सच है. ये तो बात सच है. मेरी शादी नहीं
ये
हुई
तो
है.
बात सच
ये तो बात सच है.
है. Okay. What's your favorite all-time food?
All time food. इंडियन
Hmm.
फूड. आई लव इंडियन फूड. आई थिंक हम जो लोग अपने घरों में ये सब बनाते हैं बहुत बढ़िया बनाते हैं. आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, सो दिल्ली का खाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
अरे
मेरी माँ के हाथ का खाना बहुत पसंद है. My dad also owns restaurants in Delhi. We have a family business of restaurants in Delhi. So yes, going up there, eating Mughlai
food has been
cuisine,
important.
oh,
Hmm.
the mutton kormas of the world and the
Oh,
dal
oh.
makhnis. Ah, ha, ha. I love that.
क्वारंटाइन में क्या सीखा कुकिंग में?
कुकिंग में क्या सीखा? कुकिंग में ये सीखा कि कुकिंग बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए. तो मैंने थोड़ा ऑमलेट ऑमलेट फ्लिप करना अच्छे से सीख लिया. वो
अच्छा,
पहले
नाइस.
हमेशा जब मैं हमेशा ऑमलेट बनाने निकलता था वो ना भुर्जी बनती थी. by the end of it. Cause वो मैं flip में I used to screw it up and फिर मैं उसको तोड़ के mash type
तोड़
बना
के
देता
भुजी
था.
बना देता
But
था.
अब मैंने थोड़ा
Nice.
flip करना सीखा है, कुछ एक style सिखाया है मुझे हुमा ने. So उससे मैं flip
Nice.
कर.
Okay. Who's your favorite actress?
Actress
Hmm.
in our Hindi films,
No, it's just a random question. Who's your favorite actress? Someone said.
I really like Jennifer Lawrence. I think she's very good, and I love Alia Bhatt. I think she's very very gifted, and Deepika is very good, very
Oh,
good.
nice. Okay. Films or web show? What do you personally like more?
I like to act. I can't judge like this. I love to act. So you just give me a good character, a good script. I'd love to act. Put me anywhere, man. This is something I love. So yeah, I can't choose. I'm an actor. You put me wherever you want to see me. So that's it.
Nice.
I'll act.
Your
I'll act on Instagram also one day. I think.
nice. That's the best one. Okay. Your Mujhse Friendship Karoge is my favorite movie.
So sweet. Thank you.
Okay. Then we. Okay, Saket,
Oh,
people are very worried. Do you have a girlfriend or not? Same questions.
who are these people? Yeah.
Okay, let me give you. Okay. This somebody, some name, somebody that you know is asking, do you have a girlfriend?
Who's somebody that you know?
Somebody that you know.
Yeah, yeah. सोच रहा हूँ मैं मतलब अब सोच रहा हूँ पर
ठीक है,
I've been
बनाई
मतलब
लो.
I've not been married ना तो मुझे अभी पता नहीं है कुछ. मैं बहुत शरीफ
Okay.
शाय टाइप का आदमी हूँ यार. ऐसे सवाल पूछ के आप ना मुझे शर्मिंदा कर रहे हैं.
शर्मिंदा कर रहे हो. Nice. Okay. समझ रहे हम. Okay. Are you a fan of K-pop, BTS?
What?
Yeah,
What?
K-pop, Korean bands. Yeah, Korean bands.
No यार. I've not really heard them. No.
Nice. Okay. Then people again are sending you love from Muscat, from Israel,
Love back, guys.
from
Thank you so much.
UAE. There's so much love going on. Okay, how many languages do you know? Now that's weird, but yes.
So, I know Hindi very well. इंग्लिश
Hmm.
जितनी एक हिंदुस्तानी को अंग्रेजी आनी चाहिए मुझे उतनी आती है.
उतनी आती है सबको.
और आई हैड फ्रेंच एज अ लैंग्वेज इन स्कूल
Ah,
9th
nice.
and 10th, but I remember very little of it. I can speak to an Indian who knows French, but I can't speak to a French guy. I feel like their accent is so strong that I would never be able to figure out what that person say. And because of my upbringing, I know a bit of Urdu.
Oh, nice. Okay,
That,
it's a very sweet compliment. Are you a
thanks.
bindi? Because you are the center of my mind.
Nice. Are you a Bindi? Because
Yes, you are the center of
Arey,
my
a
mind.
very dear friend of mine's message. He's a director, Siddharth Malhotra. He says he's a
Oh,
big fan.
yes.
Sir, I am a big fan, sir. Please give me work, sir, if you're seeing this live. Please give me work, sir. अपने साथ एक पिक्चर दे दो सर जो आप डायरेक्ट करोगे सर.
दिल्ली में कहाँ पढ़े हो? किस स्कूल में स्टडी की है?
So I went to a couple of schools. I was in Don Bosco for a while, and then I moved schools to a school called Rai School. And then I
Okay,
passed out from there and went to Hindu College for my graduation.
nice. ओके साकिब सर खाना भी अच्छा बना लेते हो एक्टिंग भी सुपर कर लेते हो अरे
बट सर आप
रे
काम ही नहीं दे रहे सर. आप काम ही नहीं दे रहे हो सर. क्या कर रहे हो सर?
but Sakib any director you are really looking forward to work with someone who's been on your list for the longest time
यार there is a massive long list. When I came to Bombay, I made that list. यार मतलब
कुछ कुछ
yes
टिक
there are,
किया या
but
कुछ कुछ अभी
I just feel like I want it to happen and then I want to tell people. I just don't want to jinx it.
you don't want to like jinx it
Jinx it. I
okay
don't want.
Sakib please take names Khushi say the
Of
names
हाय
someone
खुशी.
Khushi
खुशी तुम्हारा मैसेज पढ़ के मुझको बहुत खुशी हुई.
but yeah what's your favorite non-veg
Oh,
dish
that's
to
my
eat
friend Danny. That's my
oh
college mate from Delhi. My
oh
boys.
nice
So Danny is a musician from Delhi. He makes some really interesting music. You should check him out. Uh,
Definitely.
Danny, you know what I
And
love to, buddy. Whatever you cook at home when I come home.
Are, that's so cute. Then what's your plan after the quarantine is over? The first thing you will do, except gym.
Think about going to the gym. I'm really missing going to the gym, man. I'm extreme, as in I love going to the gym. Like I told you, I love working out. So I feel like just the thought that the lockdown. But in all honesty, if not the gym, I would just want to go to Delhi meet my parents. I've not seen them
Yes.
for a while, so I just want to go hug them and check on them if they're all right. Yes, they are all right, but just want to physically see them.
Have a
Yeah.
exactly. So two very sweet things. You are getting a lot of hello for Shiv Prakash Shukla.
अरे
Your and
शुक्ला भैया का
someone has
प्रणाम दोस्तों.
someone has asked, do you want to work with Rohit Shetty?
Huh?
Do you want to work with Rohit Shetty?
Of course, I put out a post saying I want to work with him. I love his films, yeah. And I've seen the Suryavanshi trailer at least 30 times.
Are, that's full on Bollywood. Like it's like the
Like, that's how a commercial film, masala film should be, yeah. That shot of all three of them
hero ki
walking
entry.
with guns, with Katrina walking with them. It's a उसी पे सीटी है यार उसी पे सीटी मरी मैंने. I'm a massive
Okay,
Rohit
so why?
Shetty fan.
So before we say bye, Sakib, something, just tell me something. This is a little serious, but yes. Normally, I have seen at least people around me getting really bored and taking this entire quarantine more on a negative side as mental health and as something which we should be very conscious of. One message for your fans to just stay positive, stay strong, because we all are going to come out of it. Something for your fans who've been waiting to.
देखो भाई अगर चाहते हो जल्दी खत्म हो जाए अगर चाहते हो कि जल्दी खत्म हो जाए तो घर पे बैठो और घर पे किसने कहा बैठने से बंदा बोर होता है यार. आई फील लाइक देयर सो मेनी टाइम्स जो मैं हमेशा कहता रहता था यार. वो पता है यार आई हैव बीन वांटिंग टू वॉच दिस शो फॉर सो लॉन्ग यार. आई हैवंट हैड द
Time nahi hai.
टाइम. नाउ इज द टाइम यार. मतलब we can see there are two ways to look at it. We can be upset about it and then get depressed about it, or we can just come out of it stronger by staying positive. Because like you said, this is going to end. It's not like कि अब हमेशा ही होगा. नहीं, this will end.
Exactly.
It's a virus. We'll find a cure. We'll figure. मतलब the whole world is working on it at this point. So I feel like this will end. We got to stay positive. We got to stay motivated. We got to keep ourselves busy. And I feel like yeah, just it's what just makes me feel that life is very simple. We have complicated it so much. All we
Exactly.
have to do is just spend time with our people, talk to our people, uh, and just be in a good healthy frame of mind. And that's what we have to figure out how we do that. And this is the time to reassess a lot of things in life. Yeah, so sit back, sit tight. We all together in this and we'll get out of it.
Thank you so much, Sake, for your time. It really means a lot. Thank you for your kind words. And fans, all the love has been delivered. Rest please DM. Thank
Ciao.
you. Bye.
Lovely talking to you. Bye. Bye.
Same here. Bye.